Hi everyone, it's Miss Landry. In this video I'm going to show you how to use a first then board. The first then board is a really great tool if there's an activity that your child really wants to do, but you would like them to do a less preferred activity first. So we use the first then boards all the time in our classroom, and they really help the students understand that in order to get the item that they want, we need to do this activity first. So in this situation, I've put the doing language work in the first column, and then the reward is some iPad time afterwards, because an iPad time is quite a big incentive for many students. So if ever your child is asking for an iPad, you could show them this visual and say, no, first we need to do this, then we get the iPad. So the first could be anything, whether it's a life skill or a work activity that you would like them to complete. As soon as they complete that, then they get their preferred activity afterwards.